Guys, today I'm going to be doing a comparison video on these two guys. I have their volume down, but I realized when meeting Zombie Boy's volume, when it's all the way down, you can still hear some volume. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but trust me, in real life, you can actually hear it fine. You can. That's great. Yeah. This guy's mouth is super silent. But yeah, his mouth is a lot louder. But yeah, their setups, they're different. They're super simple. They all have like 3 steps. You just gotta, put on the head. You have to put him on the base. Put on his shoes. You have to put the Velcro on, and you gotta hang him up. 3 steps to setting him up. Really easy. I don't have the original box for Tire Swing Zombie Boy, but I do for the Meeting Zombie Boy. Right here. Here's the Meeting Zombie Boy's box. It's very big. Now I'm going to show you what they both do. So the comparison video, they're pretty similar. They're both zombies and stuff. I like them both a lot. But I'm going to turn up the volume. Yeah. Now, I'm going to get into the quality. So the quality on both of them, they both have latex face. This guy has latex face. But they both have really cool faces. Too bad I can't take the Meeting Zombie Boy's face off, but I can just take his head off. There's his face. Yeah, there's his face. Pretty cool. Here's Tire Swing Zombie Boy's face. I kind of like Lemon Eating Zombie Boys a bit better because like it's like puffing up and it looks like he's actually dead and it's gray instead of just actual humans. And like, it looks a bit creepier. But I love Tire Swing Zombie Boy because I got him for $50 in a lot. Well, like 10. I got a giant, like 15-foot inflatable pumpkin guy. But yeah, I did that in a different video. I said everything I got in a different video. So watch that if you want to know, but you can just look at them and see which one's better. In my personal, like, I think Tire Swing Zombie Boy is a bit better than Lemon Eating Zombie Boy. But that's just me. This guy's hair is brown. This guy's hair is black. Personally, I like both of them. But yeah, I like this guy a bit more because you can actually pose his hands so you can get like a brain, a spirit or something, a little accessory to put in his hand. Actually, I'm going to show you that. We'll be right back. But yeah, I have this little brain that I got at Spirit like 2016 maybe. But yeah, you can just take, he has Velcro, and you just take the brain, or you can get a limb like Limb Ripper, or a leg. You just pose the hand so it looks like he's just holding a brain. It's a bit hard. I'm going to try with this hand. Oh, that looks cool. Wow. Okay. So, there's the brain. Alright. Here, just holding it. I'm just holding his arm up. I'm going to hold his arm in a different way. Oh, brain fell out. Brain fell out. Oh well. But yeah, you can do that, but it's going to be hard if you do that. If you have him, that's great. Like, I love mine a lot. Ew, God, that's a tick. Ew. Ew, I think that's a tick. There's a tick on him. Okay, I'm gonna bring this guy inside soon. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Comparison. Yeah, bye.